Hello, folks! Welcome to Dance Insanity. I'm LiWen, and today I will be showing you the Salsa Basic, the footwork for the followers. But hey, leaders, I'm not leaving you out either because the footwork is basically the same. You just start with the other foot, simply. And we will also dance this all to music. Let's get started. Start with your weight on the left leg, and you're gonna rock back on your right. Then go back to your left, and bring your right foot to close. Then come forward on the left, back on the right, and close your left foot. Let's see that uno mas. And back on the right, replace to the left, and close to the right. Forward on the left, replace to the right, and close to your left. It's so simple, I can't believe it. So my salsa is a great dance to start with. And back on the right again, replace to the left, close the right. Forward on the left, replace to the right, and close. Nice. Now this is the followers basic. Now what do the leaders do? The leaders do the same basic, except you start with your weight on the right and you go forward on the left. Replace, close, and back, replace, close. And did you notice? It's the same. Leaders and followers are basically doing the same thing. All right, so let's go. Again, we're gonna go followers for work. Weight is on the left foot, and we go back on the right. Replace to the left, and then close to the right. Forward on the left, replace to the right, and then close. And again, we go back, replace, close, and forward, replace, close, back, replace, close, forward, replace, close. And if you're not closing entirely, you're going back, replace, forward, that you are doing okay. It's not a big deal. Beauty of salsa, it doesn't have to be so technical. Just get the footwork, forward, close, a back, close, forward, close. If your footsies move around a little bit, you go forward or back, that's okay. Just keep the footwork alternating and back and forward and back and forward again, back and forward and back and forward. And if you find your hips starting to move, hey, even better. Just let it release. And back and forward. And now, what is the timing? For salsa goes in counts of 8, but you don't step on all 8 counts. You will step on 1, 2, 3. Skip the 4. Oh, poor 4. Then you go 5, 6, 7. Skip the 8. Oh, poor 8. The timing goes, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Nothing on 4. 5, 6, 7. Nothing on 8. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Stop. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and a little faster. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Hey, you know, if you're tired after that, then you need to get your stamina up. You know why? Because when you go to a social setting and they play a salsa song, be ready for that song to last 2 hours. No, in a social setting, usually a salsa song will go like anywhere between 4 to 6.5 minutes, something like that. So it's pretty long. You're gonna be like dancing, right, for a long time. So now that you know the salsa basic and you know the timing, it's time to put it together for the samba. Music! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. good God. Notice the changes in the music. Just go play with it. And that was Salsa Basic. Thank you so much for joining me, LiWen from Dance Insanity. And you know, a lot of times during salsa parties, they also play a ton of cha-cha music. So if you're looking to learn some cha-cha steps, then what better way than our 30-day cha-cha challenge? The next time you go out salsa dancing, your friends are gonna be like, what? Where did you even learn that from? And you're like, I'm the proud graduate of the 30-day cha-cha challenge from Dance Insanity. You can enroll and start like right the next second. It's really quick. Talk about instant gratification. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. That was really fun putting this together for you. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, subscribe. And make sure you click the bell as well. I'm LiWen from Dance Insanity, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!